Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about what you should expect when meeting your chosen architect for the first time, how to prepare for the meeting and what may come up. Following initial discussions and supplying a brief, most architects will offer a few ways to meet and discuss your project. You may prefer to do an online interactive video call where they can sketch ideas and plans on screen, but others may want a site meeting to walk through the house and look at the current space with some sketches on site. Prior to the meeting, the architect will likely have undertaken some desktop research of your property and check the relevant portals for previous planning applications nearby, plus any other relevant information depending on your project brief. It's important to remember that this is a great chance to ask questions. No question is too silly. After all, the home improvement process is likely to be the biggest expense you've ever laid out, so you need to be completely comfortable with the process and the team that you're working with. The architect will likely have also come up with some initial ideas to discuss for your project. These may be based on previous jobs they've worked on in the area or ideas they've had that they may feel would work best for your budget and brief. Rough timeframes will be discussed, not only when you're looking to start, but also the duration of the project. Now here are some typical examples. A single-story extension may take you 4 to 5 months. Typical loft extension may be a 4-month process. A new build and a larger house transformation may well be 8 months plus. This meeting is a great chance for the architect to dig a little bit deeper into your brief, understand your personalities and lifestyle, and to really start to grasp what you're after. Understanding these may also spark some creative design ideas or suggestions on how to add value. One previous example where this happened was with a wonderful client in Wimbledon who often had an au pair staying over. The client hadn't considered adding an ensuite to one of the large double bedrooms to be used as the guest suite. We showed them how this would be possible and they loved the idea. Not only does the ensuite fit perfectly, but it also adds a significant amount of value to the client's house price. All this sparked from the client telling us how they live their lives on a day-to-day basis. This project also happened to win Best Southwest London House Transformation Project, and you can check out the details of this on our website via the link in the description. Now, some architects charge for initial meetings, others don't. Many charge a nominal fee to cover their time and travel, but this fee is often deducted from your full quote should you move forward in working with them. However, if you're really not satisfied with the value you get from this initial meeting, then the architect will normally be happy to refund you. However, this meeting generally provides a huge amount of value to you with design ideas and things you may not have thought about, but will also save you money longer term with sound advice about the design process and the traps to look out for. Following the meeting, the architect will then likely send you their detailed fee proposal outlining your brief, how they can help you, and the cost of each stage throughout the process. These steps will most likely be set out following the REBA stages of work, which include taking your brief and doing a site feasibility, including concept design stages, gaining the relevant planning permissions, compliance with building regulations and detailed design, finding the right builder, also known as the tender process, site monitoring or project management, and potentially interior design. Of course, some of these may not apply to your project. Now, it may seem daunting to see all of the stages and costs all at once, but you don't need to appoint the architect for every stage on day one. If you prefer, you can instruct for each stage as you go along. The architect will ask for your approval before each step, and you can also cut ties at any time. However, we feel that the most successful projects are the ones where the same architects are with you from start to finish, taking care of every single little detail that makes your home so special. So far, we've discussed briefing and meeting your architect. If you want to know more about the site feasibility and concept design stage, head over to this next video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more education and inspiration surrounding home transformations. See you in the next one.